In this transformative workshop, Jennifer Golden invites you to explore the powerful intersection of ancient Daoist wisdom and traditional Pilates. By infusing Qigong practices with Pilates exercises, you'll discover how these two methodologies complement each other in useful ways you might not expect. Jennifer begins by introducing you to the fundamentals of Qigong, including the concept of Mingmen, the door of life, a key point of energy within your body. You'll then see a live demonstration of how these Qigong principles can be applied to your clients through Pilates exercises. You'll uncover how techniques like intentional breathing, mindful movement, focused concentration, and tension release are woven into both practices. Jennifer breaks down all of these concepts in the Power Behind the Powerhouse workshop. Whether you're looking to deepen your Pilates practice or discover the synergy between Pilates and Qigong, this workshop offers the tools to unlock a whole new level of movement. We hope you enjoy this workshop and never stop learning.